Hello, everybody. It's me. I'm here. Okay, let's go. Let's learn English now at my English book. Yes. The car race.
Race.
Listen to the type, then answer this question. Which car was the winner in 1995? There is a car race near our town every year. In 1995, there was a very big race. There were hundreds of people there. There were hundreds of people. There were hundreds of people there. My wife and my were at the race. Our friends, Junie and Jack.
Julie.
Yes, Junie and Jack were there too. You can't see us in the crowd. Crowd. You can't see us in the crowd. We are standing on the leaf. Left. We are standing on the left. We are standing on the leaf. We are standing on the.
We are standing on the left.
We are standing on the left. There were 20 cars in the race. There were English cars, French cars, German cars, Italian cars, American cars, and Japanese cars. It was an exciting finish. It was an exciting finish.
It was an exciting finish.
It was an exciting finish. The winner was Bill Sweater. The winner was Billy
Winner was Billy Stewart.
Billy Store. Winner was Bernie Store.
Winner was Billy Stewart.
The winner was in Bernie Store. He was in the car number 15. He was in car number 15. 5 other cars were just behind them. 5 other cars were just behind him. Yes. Oh, I hate the Chinese internet. No freedom.
behind,
Behind 很。On the way home, my wife said to me, "Don't try it so quickly. You are not a bear straighter."
Billy Stewart,
Brady Stewart. You are not a burning Stewart. Don't try it so quickly. Okay. New word add is person, year, rise, time, called, stand, exciting, just, finish, winter, behind, way, notice, notice and taste, 100 of, 2, on the way home. Yes, thank you everyone, thank you everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and more new video. Thanks God. I hope God bless you because I in God we trust. Thank you. Bye bye. Peace. Hello everybody, it's me. Today I'm not happy now because I'm meeting something. Yes. How do you say this in English? For example, 我上班的时候遇见一个瓜娃子，晓得嘛？遇见两个瓜娃子，内心很难受，不高兴。Yes. This is why I'm not a happy person. Now, I need to make a new video and learning English. Thank you. I say Chinese. 各位网友大家好，我是水军。今天呢，上班遇到的老瓜娃子了，心情有点不好。哎呀，就这样嘛，反正嘛，上一天班累得很，也没啥想说的，就这么过日子，混一天是一天，把钱混到手，把钱还了，就这样。Peace， 再见。Hello everybody, it's me. My name is Johnny Sam. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and more new video. I hope God bless you because I in God we trust. Thank you.